Doba Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Doba and related resources can be found in the description below. Doba is a dropshipping platform designed to connect online retailers with thousands of suppliers offering millions of products. Rather than dealing with multiple vendors individually, Doba acts as a central hub for product sourcing and order fulfillment, aiming to simplify operations for both newcomers and seasoned e-commerce sellers. One of the standout features of Doba is its wide product catalog, spanning categories like electronics, apparel, home goods, and more, allowing merchants to expand their offerings without holding any inventory. The platform syncs inventory levels and pricing in real time, so you don't have to worry about overselling or listing out-of-stock items. Doba also provides tools to quickly upload products to major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, cutting down on the time spent migrating product data. Additionally, the platform offers a data feed system for bulk uploading, helping established stores streamline ongoing updates. In terms of strengths, Doba excels at providing a broad supplier network under one umbrella, saving you from juggling multiple supplier relationships. Their directory approach can be especially helpful for merchants who want to test multiple niches or easily pivot their product lines. Another advantage is the automated order processing, which sends orders directly to suppliers for fulfillment. This feature reduces manual errors and keeps shipping times consistent. New users often find the interface and tutorials accessible, easing the initial learning curve. Doba's customer support is generally responsive, assisting with integration hiccups or supplier-related issues. However, there are notable weaknesses. Monthly subscription costs can be a barrier for small businesses, especially if sales volume doesn't justify the fees. Pricing might not always be the most competitive, given that you're paying for convenience and centralized access to suppliers. The quality of suppliers can also vary, so it's wise to test product samples before listing high-volume items. While Doba attempts to verify suppliers, issues like shipping delays or inconsistent item quality can still arise. Lastly, some advanced features, like deeper analytics or comprehensive branding options, may be limited, requiring additional tools or creative workarounds. Overall, Doba is an excellent choice for merchants seeking a broad product catalog with minimal supplier headaches. If you budget for the monthly fees, carefully vet your suppliers, and align Doba's automation tools with your e-commerce setup, it can significantly enhance your dropshipping workflow.